In this training, we are going to look at the different formatting options inside of the long form assistant of conversion.ai. So let me set up a new document and create a blog post about blogging. I know, very meta. So blogging, let's do WordPress and bold, how to blog. Those are my keywords. Continue, generate ideas. So it's going to come up with the title. All right, we'll go with the mistakes because that sounds like a fun topic. That. All right, so what we could do is we could write in a topic like blogging mistake number 1. Okay, I'm going to highlight that. Now I could do it as a header 1, header 2, or header 3. Personally, I would probably make this a header 2. Okay, and then maybe at the top here, I might do a header 1. So 11 mistakes to avoid when starting a blog, just to show you the difference. So that's a header 1. Okay, now I could have Jarvis write a bit here. Okay, we're going to change that to mistake number 2. Make that an H2. Okay, then I can have Jarvis do some more writing. And I'm going to change that to number 3. Let's cover some other, there's a header 2. We'll cover a little bit of some of the other stuff. So let's say that I wanted to bold something. I could highlight the text here. So it'd be just like using Microsoft Word, and I could bold it. Okay, let's say that I wanted some bullet points for some reason. I can highlight some text here, and that's a numbered bullet. Okay, now let's just pretend that that's my second bullet. There's my third bullet. Okay, now let's look at this one. Maybe I want just bullet points. Okay, maybe I'll do that one as a bullet point. I'll do that one as a bullet point. And then maybe I want, this is an example of a header 3. So you can see the size difference. So there's a header 3. Almost looks like bolding. So it's not used as much. The header 2 is the one you're going to use the most. Header 1 you may have at the top of your article. Oftentimes, like, excuse me, if you, oftentimes if you are, creating a post in WordPress, it's going to put like a header 1 at the top of your post automatically, and it's the title of your post typically that just automatically gets put in there, and so you usually don't have to worry about it. Header 2 is the one you're going to use the most, and that's the thing that's going to have the most impact when you're doing the SEO mode connected to Surfer inside of conversion.ai. That's going to help you get your score up. I believe to get it to recognize that it is a header, you're still going to have to put in the pound sign or hashtag or whatever you want to call this symbol, depending on how old you are, and you're going to have to put that where all your headers are, and that way it'll tell Conversion AI and Surfer that is a header, and it should judge the SEO quality for your score, that you actually have a header there, and that's going to help. But I mean, just with a few minor things here, this already looks a lot better than just run-off sentences or run-off paragraphs that Jarvis would normally do, just by putting in some bullet points, putting in a couple headers, putting in some bolding. There's just some minor formatting, and you don't have to start with this right away. Just keep it in mind that once you have had Jarvis right for a while, you could come back, do a few minor tweaks, and then you can copy and paste this information and send it right into your WordPress blog post or your website, or put it into your book. Whatever you're doing with this information, you're going to be able to quickly and easily grab this content. It's already going to be formatted, and then you can publish it online or share it wherever you want to share it, and people are going to be able to check out the information that you've put together by using Jarvis and using this formatting and making things look a little bit nicer. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you find the header 1, header 2, header 3 tags, the bolding, the ability to add numbered bullets and like a list, and just regular bullet points into your articles, because it's going to make your content so much better. So let me know what you think of these features, and I'm sure you're going to find more and more stuff as Conversion AI keeps improving as time goes on here. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this, and I look forward to helping you grow your business